In this video, we will show you how to replace the battery on your HRM-Pro Plus strap. To change the battery in your strap, you will need your HRM-Pro Plus strap and a new CR2032 battery. Start by removing the silicone sleeve from the strap. Next, remove the battery door by rotating the door counterclockwise, moving the arrow from the locked to unlocked position. Then, remove the door from the strap. Turn the door over and pull the white tab to remove the battery from the door. Wait 30 seconds, then insert the new battery into the door with the negative side facing up. Keep the white tab out from under the battery for ease of future battery changes. Place the door into the strap, making sure that the arrow points to unlocked. While applying gentle pressure, rotate the battery door clockwise until the arrow points to locked. The door must be flush with the heart rate monitor module to keep moisture from getting inside. Then replace the silicone sleeve over the HRM module. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.